was so careful not to let any flies in this house, yet here they are. And not just like 1 or 2, like 7. What, are they like, got a key to my house or something? Hi guys, Dollar Tree haul time. So excited to share with you guys what I found, but first I wanted to show you my super cute sweater. This is actually my merch. It is my favorite one that's out there, but I just recreated a new one. It's super cute. Definitely go check it out. And for those of you that have been buying like all of my fall sweaters, thank you so much. I've made like the most sales I ever have with this new line. So thank you so much for the support, and I will be coming out with a Christmas collection as well. So anyways, just want to tell you guys thank you. But let's dive in. Also, I want to say that in case you're kind of looking for some more Halloween DIYs, Wednesday's haul, I will be attaching some DIYs to the end of that video. So some of the things I actually got from Dollar Tree are hopefully going to be in that video. So like this, for example, I picked up this vase, super cute, and yeah, you're gonna have to wait and see how I'm gonna use this in a DIY, but you know, it's just a regular vase. You can do so much with these. Then I found this guy right here. I just really liked the look of it. It kind of like comes out. I feel like this is a new container. The lid has that like sealed rubber style, so hopefully keep things, yeah, seems pretty tight. Hopefully keeps things super fresh. This is gonna look really beautiful in a pantry. Even in a bathroom, if you wanted to, you could maybe add like a really sparkly knob to the top, you know, make it extra pretty for your bathroom or your craft room. But in a pantry, I just like it exactly how it is. You could even throw on like a label on front. Also, the next makeover, in case you didn't know, is gonna be Saturday, and it's gonna be my laundry room. And Tuesday, actually, before that video, I'm going to be doing my butler's pantry area. So we're going to be decorating for fall, a little coffee bar. It's going to be super cute. All right, next up, this was a restock item. This is the LA's Totally Awesome, and I actually got this in 2 different container styles. So this one's like a refill, and then this one has the little spray nozzle, which I was just like, you know what, I want to go ahead and try this. You guys, I use this to degrease I don't freaking know, my microwave, because whenever, you know, I'm cooking on the stove, my microwave sits on top, so whenever there's steam coming from, you know, the pot, pan, spaghetti, or like whatever it is that I'm making, it just creates, you know, that sticky residue on the stainless steel of my microwave. And I've actually tried several things before I landed on this LA's Totally Awesome. This is the only thing that literally wipes it off in seconds. I can spray and then wipe, and it just clears it all off. I just don't know how this is that magical, but listen, this is what I use it for. So again, I thought I would like try the little spray, because what I do with the refill one is I pour it into a separate spray container. The next container that I got was this one. I've hauled it before, but I got it for the lid. I'm gonna be using it for a DIY, or at least I think I am. I might play around with some different lid options, but I grabbed this one just in case. Hopefully you'll see that in Wednesday's video. And then it was time to do another restock of these letters. I cannot highly recommend these enough. I've done so many DIYs with this, very farmhouse, or just really any style at all. You know, if you want to label things, create a command center for yourself. These are also great for care packages when you're designing the inside of the shipping box. I've used these for just a multitude of things, and the black letter ones are my favorite. And I'm so happy that they're capitalized letters too. I just tend to prefer cap letters. Like, no reason for it. I just do. So I think I ran out and I went ahead and grabbed a couple. I might use these in a Wednesday DIY for Halloween as well. So we'll see. I could use a different method, but I needed those anyways. All right, next up are Band-Aids. I was reaching for a Band-Aid last week in my bathroom and didn't have any. So I was like, you know what, it's time to restock. And this is actually a new brand that's been out not too long at Dollar Tree, I believe. this care pack. And so I got this variety set and then just like the standard set here. So we got that. Sometimes whenever I go shopping, I treat myself. I don't know, do you do that? Do you just ever walk into Dollar Tree and grab yourself a treat? So I went with the turtles. Moving on, speaking of treats, I also found what I think is kind of a new candy. I can't really say how new because I haven't really been paying attention to the candy section lately at Dollar Tree, but I saw these and I don't know, I was just like, okay, did not see these last year. They're the Candy Puffs by Redbird. And Redbird makes those like melt in your mouth peppermints, you know, like the soft peppermints. And I think that's what these are, but they have like different flavors. So I thought that was really cool. Also really great for care packaging. I also needed to restock on some super glue. I don't know if it's like we're in the retrograde situation or what's happening, but you guys, I've been knocking over everywhere I go. I broke my coffee pot, busted the actual pot itself, the glass, smithereens, glass everywhere. I knocked over one of my blackbirds in my entryway. I cried. Love those freaking birds, and you can't find them anywhere. So I was reaching for some super glue to fix the bird and realized I didn't have any, so that was a long story to let you know. But do you ever like have that time in your life where you just feel like you're out of control and you're just knocking everything over and it just happens like back to back? It's just the weirdest thing. I also picked up some Blistex. This was in the aisle as I was checking out, and like what kind of got me was just one, the packaging I thought was really cute, and it says medicated berry balm, SPF 15, and if you don't know, or maybe you do know, I'll put you on it again just in case, but I use chapstick to work my lipsticks, basically. I don't like putting lipstick on like dry skin or my dry lips, so lip balm, lipstick, and then lip balm again over it to blend it out. It's the best. And with this one, I thought maybe if I did like a pink lipstick, I could use this one that probably has like a pink tint to it, and it might be a really nice combo. So I'm gonna try it out. I'll let you guys know on my vlog channel when I try that out. And then I found these from Crafter's Square. They're new, and look how cute they are. They're calling them wood cutouts, and you get 2 for each silhouette. So that's pretty cool, right? So like, for example, if you're gonna do a safari style birthday, you could use these. You could paint them, put them on sticks. I don't really know, but like you could also label them for food if you're having a safari party, and you know what I mean? So really cute. And then this one has like a ladybug, an owl, and a butterfly. So there's that. You could also use these to decorate a care package. That's where my mind goes a lot lately, because that's like something that I do for my daughter. But you could paint them, and then they're pretty thin, you know? And then put them, lay down some like scrapbook paper, like safari style, and then glue your little wood cutouts on top that you've painted. So there's that idea. I found some new pens. I think I'm gonna be organizing some pens at the end of this video, in case you wanna stick around. So these are brand new. I've never seen them there before. And yeah, so I'm very excited to try these. They're ballpoint pens, and the packaging is really interesting. They do not have the Dollar Tree logo. So that means, what that means to you is I don't know how long they'll be in stock at Dollar Tree. So it's just something to think about. And I'm wondering, yeah, this is multicolored. So whatever the color of the pen is, the color of the ink as well. So that's pretty cool. Like this green one, that looks really interesting to me. All right, so there's that. Also found a pack of 30 sheets of Crayola scrapbook paper. I don't know, for $1, maybe if you're in a pinch, this could be a good pickup, or if you just don't need that much, this could be a good pickup. But I just got this to stock into my craft room. And then I found this. What? 300 stickers. It's a super cute little activity set as well. So I did pick this up for my niece. You can see that they give you the sheets of the stickers here, and then you get into the activity set itself. you know, and where you're gonna put your stickers at. Yeah, super awesome, brand new to Dollar Tree. It does have the Dollar Tree logo on the back. And then we've got some new stickers to go through. Let me just kind of sort these out for a quick second. But yeah, so this is Jot, which is my favorite brand at Dollar Tree. We're just gonna do it like this. And the sheets are on both sides, by the way. This one's really cute. I like this one. I feel like for those of us that are like into crafting and planner stuff, this is gonna be a great pickup. You know, it has a lot of words and the phone, call me. It's super cute. Well done, congratulations. Yeah, just a lot of sentiments there. And then we have this little space theme on the front and back. Super cute. Anytime there's anything like space or aliens, I always grab for it because I just think it's really adorable. These are not like necessarily my favorite, but I wanted you guys to see everything that I found. I'm gonna let my niece play with these. But whenever it comes to emojis, it's just not my personal favorite. But I get the whole thing about it. And then here's this one, which I thought was a little bit cuter. Has that emoji look with the cats, but it just has like, I don't know, a lot more pop of color. Like this little heart lock. That's a really interesting little sticker. There's a lot of cute stuff in here, like little cats in the car. That's really adorable. And then here's some more emojis. You can see the heart eyes. Yeah. So there's that one. And then this one's like emojis, but with square faces. This guy's mad. You know what happened? You know what happened to this guy? Actually, I don't know why he's mad. I just think that's his own personal problem, but there you have it. Got the cute little owls. Super fun. I love how there's so many like different styles of them and the colors. Here's some more emojis. The little popcorn one, that one's adorable. Absolutely love that one. There's actually several popcorns throughout this one. Then we have the little puppy dogs. Super cute. They look absolutely adorable. And there's even like little paw prints as well. The next one's a little safari theme. We've got the whole gang. Got alligators and parrots and tigers and elephants, zebras. Yeah, just everybody's here. And then this one's just like a fun little girly one with the rainbows and the donuts and the ice cream. I have to say that this little cup right here, that one's really cute. I really like that one. So those are all the stickers there. And then the last several things before I roll the clip of just organizing some pens, if you want to see that. I thought it would just be fun to like throw that in since I hauled some pens today. But I want to show you guys what's new at Dollar Tree. So this is not new. Dollar Tree has put these out for a very long time. You can see it's by the brand Jot. I mean, I have done DIYs with this. I used to spray paint them gold when I did like a whole gold theme a while back in like an old media room. But here's what they did that's new. What? And maybe it's not new to y'all's store. Like, you know, it's like how, I don't know, but this is the first time I've seen it. So I guess it's new to me. But look at the size difference. Both of them are $1. And then they also upgraded these little clip cups. This is also the large version because the clip cup to this, which I didn't have it so I couldn't show you, but it is a lot smaller than this one. So they have upgraded and given us bigger sizes, and I'm here for this because I think this is just too small for me personally. Like especially, yeah, all the pens that I want to work with. I just hope for us to see these in black and white because all I found was gray. But you know, if you want to, you can easily spray paint that, like no big deal. This clock is loud as f. Alright, that's it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to purchase any of my merch, it's always linked at my under my videos. So if you're like watching on a smartphone or your computer or whatever, it should be like rolling by on the screen basically somewhere below or above the description bar. But Anyways, thank you guys so much for the love and support, as always, for watching my videos, for buying my merch. And yeah, so let's go ahead and roll the clip of organizing some pins, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.